Welcome to my tea table. If life lately feels like a tangled mess, anxiety, insomnia, or a restless heat you can't explain, please don't blame yourself. It's not your fault. Since 2024, we have officially entered period 9, the age of fire. Fire symbolizes speed, illusion, and eruption, but it also means destruction. In these 20 years of extreme dryness, everyone is like a burning candle. If you only know how to accelerate, you will eventually end up as ashes. Why do I talk to you about tea? Because tea is the practice of water. In the age of fire, only those who master the power of water can live with clarity. Many ask me, "Master, my career has hit a wall, my mind won't rest, what should I do?" My answers are all within my guide. Period 9. The Zen Alchemist's Guide to Tea and Fortune. I call this logic, water, and fire in balance. It's not about escaping reality. It's about guarding your inner spring in a boiling world. In this guide, I have prepared a 21-day energy realignment path for you. We will practice across 3 dimensions. First is frequency management. You'll learn to use different water temperatures to mirror the different stages of your career. Second is the mirror effect. I will teach you how to look through the reflection of the tea to see through the illusions born of greed or fear. Finally, the flow of wealth. In period 9, fortune no longer belongs to the most hardworking, but to those with the most depth. For water only flows to the deepest ground. This guide isn't just a manual. It's the underlying logic I've distilled over 20 years. It helps you find that unmovable fulcrum amidst the shifting fires of this era. If this resonates with you, please click the link below. The complete scrolls are waiting for you there. The louder the world gets, the quieter you must become. I will meet you within the pages. Link in description. Begin your return.